I was charged by the Bar Council with unprofessional conduct, called upon to show cause why I shouldn't be struck off the rolls because I had defied the Ethics Committee in making a public appeal for a solicitor to brief me because the Premier, Sir Henry Bolte, had ordered the public solicitor to withdraw my brief so that Ryan could not be represented before the Privy Council. And I asked the Ethics Committee, could I go public and seek an instructor? And I was told by them that I couldn't. It was unethical. I said, on the ground that I was touting for business. I said, how can I be touting? I'm prepared to pay my own fare to London. I'm acting without fee. I've got a client. I haven't got an instructor. And they said we regard it as touting for business. When he was hanged, I was charged. And I took that very personally. I was depressed. I thought if my colleagues think so poorly of me as to charge me in these circumstances, I'm prepared to leave the bar. I'm not going to defend myself. Then a number of my friends waited on me and said, you've got to defend it. Let us appear. I finally said, all right, so long as I take no part. I'm not going to give evidence. I'm not going to give an explanation. I'm not going to say a thing. And Richard McGarvey appeared for me with Ivor Greenwood as his junior. So I was represented by a future Governor of Victoria with his junior, a future Attorney General of the Commonwealth. Prosecuting me was Sir Ninian Stephen as the junior QC. He was a friend of mine, and it was the role of the junior silk to prosecute in a case like this. I attended, and the hearing took place in the Essoin Club.
Which you helped found, but we'll talk about that later.
Yes.
Yes.
And anybody who could get in was there. You couldn't have got anyone else in with a shoehorn. I don't know what happened. I was present in body, not in mind. The last thing I remember was Lou Vumard, as chairman, acquitting me and saying that the bar needed more Phil Opas's, not one fewer. However, I felt rejected, depressed, isolated, and I decided to leave the bar at the first opportunity, which I did.